Coal is the most widely distributed fossil energy resource in the world. It is mainly divided into four categories: bituminous coal, anthracite, subbituminous coal, and lignite. On the coal ball press cleaning, we should carefully and real-time clean up the dust falling on the coal ball press. In the disassembly process, should be carefully dusting. It is strictly prohibited to invade the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear condition of the triangle lining plate, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the body of the coal ball press, and clean it up. Replace the bearing grease. Check coal ball press bottom. Safety bolt is loose, and tighten it. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that there is a large pressure change in the oil pressure of the clean ball oil cylinder, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the coal ball press is found leaking oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after the oil leak is repaired.